This is how we like to do our chicken wings. Juicy and moist in the middle and crispy on the outside. So there's a couple of things you want to set up. One is the temperature. You're going to go at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. This helps you get a nice crispy skin before the chicken's cooked. Glove up, no one wants chicken fingers. The second part is to get the skin nice and dry, so you want to get all that moisture off. Use a good rub, we're using ours. Pork and chicken, good flavour, good citrus hit and good colour. Be pretty generous, some's going to come off during the cook, so make sure you get plenty on there. Once your barbecue's up to temp, nice and stabilised, place them so they're not touching. Lid down, 25-30 minutes, give them a flip. Lid back down again. You want to go for around about a temperature of 85 Celsius, 185 Fahrenheit, which is a good temperature. Quick sauce up. Give a bit of a toss back in. Just 5-10 minutes. And ready to go. Enjoy.